So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to get double line spacing here on VistaCreate. So the first thing you have to do is open up VistaCreate. Once that is done, add some text into your design. So either go to the left-hand side of your screen right here, press on text and press on add text, or just go to the top left and press on text. It does the exact same thing. Now if you want to, I'll just type in double line just like that. I'll then make it a little bit larger. So if you want to get double line spacing between the two words here, super straightforward. Press on the text right here, open up this top bar to where it says spacing, press on spacing. Then as of right now, it's on single spacing. Then two options down, it says double spacing, press on double, and you make the spacing for the lines here, double line spacing. So super straightforward, super simple. This is how to get double line spacing here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.